So we're continuing lesson 1 of the step-by-step tutorial, and we're now going to try to design the HTML template for the list so that we can achieve the desired layout of the list. So let's click on predefined templates, and the predefined template builder opens up where we can choose different appearances for the list. So one of the options here is to display an image on the left. So let's turn that on, and you can see now all of the predefined templates take on this new view where we have an image on the left. And now let's scroll through the list here until we find a template that most closely matches our target design. Also, you can see here that the so-called disclosure icon on the left can either be set to bold or subtle or user defined. So I'm going to choose subtle, which again matches the target that we're aiming for. And I'm going to select, let's see here, the one that matches most closely would probably be this one over here. So let's choose this template over here and click the OK button, and now what you can see is we'll say yes because we want to throw away our existing template. And now what comes up now is a little builder which lets me map the placeholders in the template to the controls in my particular list. So you can see, if you look in the template editor over here, that the HTML template has been filled in, and you'll see that there are these placeholders that are enclosed in square brackets that represent different fields in the list, and we now need to map these placeholders to the available fields in our list control. So for context, which is the blue placeholder on the right hand side, we're going to choose the customer ID field. So then we can go now and choose the level 1 placeholder. So for that we're going to go here and we're going to choose the contact name field. So let's leave the remaining placeholders blank and come back and fill in the rest later on. So we'll click OK now, and then we'll hit OK, and then we'll go to working preview. And we can see now that we started to get the look that we want, but now we still haven't yet defined level 2 and detail placeholders. And then just going back to our target, this is what our target appearance looks like. So let's compare it. So you can see that we've got this part looking correct, we've got the disclosure buttons looking correct, we've got the customer name in bold at the top. And now what we'd like to do is set these remaining pieces. So you can see here, this is the company name for level 2, and then in the detail section over here we've got the address, the city, and the country. So let's go back now and set level 2 to the company name. So we'll go back now into our list properties, go over here, and we can go here with replace placeholders, which is going to bring up a dialog showing all of the placeholders that haven't yet been resolved. So I'm going to go there to level 2 and set that to company name, and then for detail I'm going to set that to address. So we'll click OK, and then click OK now, and go back to working preview, and you can see that we're pretty close now. But we still don't have the city and country underneath the address there. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.